All right. What's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at SPIRITSWAP. Okay. Now, the SPIRITSWAP protocol adds incentives for Phantom Network participants by introducing revenue sharing through the classic AMM model. We provide a platform for trading, staking, and farming. This is just a start. We're building more every day. Back to work. Okay. So let's go ahead and enter the app and dive right into SPIRITSWAP. But before we begin, if you learned anything, find any value, or just appreciate some of the content in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps me out with the channel, just getting it going, and also let me know if there's any protocols, any crypto coins, any just anything like that you guys want me to cover in general. I'm very open to covering lots of things. Okay, I do technical analysis. And I'm starting to make videos like these, just covering some DeFi protocols, okay, because that's a very big space that took off in 2021 and is just going to grow massively in the year 2022, regardless of what the price of Bitcoin is doing, right? More money is going to pile into these protocols and is going to be staked and locked up long term. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. This is the homepage for it. Right. The first thing you're going to need to do is connect your wallet. So you go here, and I definitely recommend MetaMask. It is going to be your door into the world of DeFi. Okay. Pretty much every DeFi protocol is going to allow you to connect to, their platform through MetaMask. So it's really good as kind of, maybe not a wallet where you want to store all of your funds, right? Because MetaMask does get hacked occasionally, but it is very good to have because you can have your money in a secure wallet, transfer it to MetaMask, and then use MetaMask to use these platforms. Okay, that's basically what I do and what I would recommend. Okay, is not holding all of your money in MetaMask, but you need some in there to connect to some of these protocols. So we'll go ahead and connect the wallet. Okay, and it'll pull up the MetaMask on your browser, right? And then you'll hit next, connect. Okay, and now it is connecting, and boom, now my wallet is connected. Okay, so I have $0 portfolio value. All right, banking, guys, doing real good. But when you first start off on the homepage, right, it starts off with the TVL, total value locked. All right, that's a term to kind of get familiar with in DeFi. We have over $360 million locked up. Okay, so over $250 million. Now, what you can do is because it runs on the Phantom network, right? One of the main things that people use these swaps for is because essentially it's really cheap to do so, right? So let's say you want a certain token that isn't available on Coinbase, right? Well, you can use your MetaMask wallet, all right? And let's say you have USDT, right? Okay, so you have USDT and you want to get some Spirit, okay, because you like Spirit. We're looking at SPIRITSWAP right now. You think SPIRITSWAP may go up in the future, right? So what you can do is you can come here, and if you have $100 worth of USDT, right, you would be able to transfer 25, 50, 75, or 100% of that, swap it into Spirit, right? And then that would give you Spirit, and then you would come here, click there, and now you have Spirit. Okay, so that's basically what you would do. Now, Zap is a really cool feature. Okay, Zap is awesome because what it does is it allows you to take your stable coin, for instance, or something, right? So let's say you have USDT. What's going on here? I don't know what's going on. Sorry. But yeah, so anyways, let's just say you got some Phantom, right? Because I like Phantom. All right, so anyways, you take your Phantom and then you would choose an LP token. And we are going to do the Phantom Spirit. All right, the Wrap Phantom Spirit LP liquidity pool token, right? So then you would come in here, you would transfer your Phantom, and you would zap it. So what this does is it takes it from being 3 transactions to just down to 1, because what you would have to do, right, is you would have to take USDT or whatever stable coin or coin that you have. Then you would have to convert that to Phantom, half of it to Phantom, then half of it to Spirit, and then you would have to go to the liquidity pool. Okay, which we'll do that real quick. Oh, I could have just hit it up there on liquidity, but basically you'll come here to liquidity, right? And what you can do is you can add liquidity for basically the spirit swap, right? So we want to do phantom and spirit, right? So you would take like 100 phantom, 100 spirit. You want to take basically the same dollar amount. Okay, so 50% of whatever your dollar amount is, you put it in phantom, 50% you put in spirit. Okay, and then you would hit supply here, and then you would get the phantom. You would get this token, right? This liquidity pool token for the phantom for spirit phantom, right? So then now what you can do is you can come to the farm, okay, and the APR range is 23.7% to 49.4%, okay, and you can come in here and you can farm your basically your spirit phantom liquidity pool tokens and earn 24% APR on top of it. Okay, so really interesting stuff right there. Okay, if you look at wicked driver phantom liquidity pool, this one APR offers 72% to 124%. The grim phantom liquidity pool, right, 200 to 480% APY. I mean, these are some really insane APYs, right? And this is pretty common in the world of DeFi, right? So, it's very important to familiarize yourself, with these DeFi protocols, with these different, exchanges and like swaps and things like that. That's really going to help you just kind of get your feet wet, right? And Phantom is a really, it's as we talked about before, it's super cheap and it's super fast. So, if you want to get started in a DeFi, SPIRITSWAP and Phantom is a really good network that you can start in on. Okay. So, these are some of the farms that you could come in. Okay. I talked about it. Spirit Phantom. We have Liquid Driver Phantom. We have Grim Phantom. USDC Phantom, okay, that's offering 87%. We have Frax Phantom, lots of stuff right here. And the exchange is a new feature that they just recently added here to SpiritSwap, right? And they also have ape mode, which is brand new. But the way I have my thing currently set up right now, it can tell I'm located in the US. The US is not really too friendly when it comes to a lot of crypto protocols and things like that. So you may need a VPN, so that way, you can show, basically that you're not in the United States when it comes to your IP address, right? You can select a location, right? Choose a VPN that, basically has a server where it's not illegal or restricted for, trading for in the US, okay? So, I'll have to make a separate video about ape mode. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want a video kind of covering that. But yeah, so SpiritSwap is really good. Okay. There's bonds. You can look into the governance. They're adding lending and borrowing. I think when I first started looking at them, it wasn't on there, but maybe it is now. Yeah. So, they have a whole lending network in here, which is really amazing, right? So let's say, what you can do, okay, is you can come in here. All right. What did I just click on? Jesus. All right, you can come in here to the farms, right? And the different liquidity pools. Okay. Put your stuff in here and be earning these rewards, right? Okay. So there's a 87% rewards right here, 72% right here, things like that. You can earn that, and then you can come to a lending network, right? And you can basically take out a loan against it, right? And basically you will take out a loan against it, and you'll be able to then therefore receive some cryptocurrency based on your leveraged tokens that you put in, and then you can do whatever you want with the money that you lended, right? So or that you borrowed, right? So let's say you borrowed some cryptocurrency using some of your staked coins as collateral, and then after that, you can go ahead and and you know, take out a loan against it, right? You can go to their lending network, take out a loan against it, and then those coins that you have now, you can restake, you can put them into a liquidity pool, you can, you know, you can use them to do yield farming, you know, lots of different stuff. Okay, there's lots and lots of different things that you can do in the world of DeFi, and SpiritSwap is a great place to start off. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely comment down below what your favorite part of SpiritSwap is, what I didn't cover in this SpiritSwap video, and what you would like to make, you know, what you would like to see in a detailed version. Okay, so I can make some very detailed walkthroughs, tutorials. If you need a walkthrough and a tutorial for how to, you know, stake and swap, you know, I basically just give you guys a rough, you know, kind of just went over it. But, you know, if you need to actually see me do it myself, you know, then we can go ahead and do that. All right. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'm out.